collecting semen from a strong bull and artificial insemination in dairy cows. To collect semen from a strong bull, a common technique involves using a female dairy cow as a mount. The process begins by introducing a receptive female cow or a dummy mount to encourage the bull to jump onto its back. This action triggers the bull's natural mating behavior. As the bull mounts the cow, a trained handler carefully inserts an artificial vagina AV, fitted with a collection tube. The AV is designed to mimic the sensation of mating, encouraging the bull to ejaculate. Once the semen is collected, it is immediately cooled or processed for further use. After gathering semen from the strongest bulls, the next step is artificial insemination, AI. AI is a widely used technique to improve herd genetics and dairy production. In this procedure, a technician prepares the semen by thawing and loading it into an insemination straw. The female cow is restrained, and her reproductive tract is carefully manipulated. The technician inserts the insemination rod through the cow's cervix and into the uterus, ensuring that the semen is placed near the uterine body for optimal fertilization. Timing is crucial, and insemination is best performed when the cow is in estrus heat. This method allows for precise genetic selection and significantly improves breeding efficiency, reducing the need for natural mating while ensuring the continued strength and productivity of the herd. Suckler cow husbandry in the calving barn. Once the calf is born, it receives immediate and gentle attention. The first hours are critical, and farm staff ensure that the calf gets its first meal of colostrum, which is rich in essential nutrients and antibodies. The health and strength of the calf are closely monitored to ensure it receives the care it needs for a robust start. Calves are kept close to their mothers for warmth and security during these early stages of life, strengthening the bond and ensuring they develop naturally and healthily. Play is an integral part of a calf's development. On the Brownsdorf farm, calves are encouraged to interact with their peers, which promotes natural behaviors, improves their motor skills, and enhances their social structures. Play areas within the farm are open and safe, offering the calves space to run, jump, and explore their surroundings. This environment contributes to healthier, well-rounded animals that are more resilient and adaptable to changes in their environment as they grow. Heifers first drive to pasture in Schwarzenberg. Each spring, an exciting event takes place when the young heifers are driven out to pasture for the first time in Schwarzenberg. These young cows have been patiently waiting through the long winter for their chance to experience the fresh mountain air and vast open fields. As they are led to the pastures, their excitement is palpable. The lush green meadows provide a rich variety of grass and herbs, essential for their growth and development, as well as their future role in the farm's dairy production. The Brownsdorf dairy farm boasts modern, computer-monitored milking parlors. These advanced systems ensure that each cow is milked with care and precision, maximizing efficiency while prioritizing the cow's comfort. The farm maintains separate lying and feeding areas to ensure that the animals have distinct spaces for rest and nourishment. This attention to detail keeps the cows healthy and content, which is reflected in the superior quality of milk they produce. To ensure that the cows receive all the minerals they need for optimal health, lick stones are placed throughout the barns and pastures. These stones provide a convenient source of essential minerals that support the cow's immune systems, reproductive health, and overall well-being. With access to these supplements, the farm ensures that every animal is given the best chance to thrive, contributing to a sustainable and productive dairy operation. Aging or frail dairy cows will be humanely sent to the slaughterhouse for processing. After stunning, the animal is hung upside down to allow for effective bleeding, a process called exsanguination. This step is critical for food safety, as it helps remove most of the blood from the body, reducing bacterial growth. Once bled, the carcass moves through an automated system where the hide is removed, and the animal undergoes evisceration, the removal of internal organs. This step is performed under strict sanitary conditions to avoid contamination. The carcass is then split into two halves. This allows for thorough inspection by health authorities, who check for diseases or abnormalities that could compromise food safety. Only carcasses that pass these inspections move on to the cutting line. The cutting line is the stage where the beef is broken down into consumer-ready cuts. Highly skilled butchers work alongside automated machines to portion the carcass into primal cuts, like ribs, loins, and flanks, and further subdivide them into retail-ready portions, such as steaks, roasts, or ground beef. Modern technology, including laser-guided cutters and computerized grading systems, ensures consistent, precise cuts that meet consumer demands. Once cut, the beef is vacuum sealed or packaged for freshness and transported to retail locations. Some cuts are aged for enhanced flavor before packaging. Throughout the entire process, temperature controls, sanitation protocols, and quality checks ensure the beef remains safe and high quality for the end consumer. The modern beef slaughter and cutting line represents a delicate balance between efficiency, quality, and ethical standards, providing safe and reliable products for consumers worldwide. The art of leather crafting at Tochigi Leather. The journey begins with a thorough washing of the raw hides. This step is essential to cleanse the hides of any impurities, dirt, or residual material from the animal. The hides are soaked in large tanks of water, gently agitated to remove grime and prep for the next stage. Once the hides are clean, they are carefully cut into manageable pieces. These pieces will later be shaped and processed based on the specific product they are intended for. Precision is key, ensuring that each piece is of optimal size and quality for further processing. Freshing is the stage where the hides are further processed to remove any remaining flesh and unwanted fibers. This meticulous step is critical to ensure a smooth and even surface for the subsequent stages of production. Decalcification is a chemical treatment that removes calcium deposits from the hides. This step ensures the leather retains its softness and flexibility, preventing any stiffness or hardness in the final product. Excess moisture is then removed from the hides through a squeezing process. This helps to prepare the leather for the following stages by ensuring that it is neither too wet nor too dry. The hides are then shaved down to the desired thickness, ensuring a uniform and consistent surface. Adjustments are made as needed to achieve the perfect texture and feel. After fat liquoring, the hides are dried to remove any remaining moisture. Proper drying is essential to prevent shrinkage or warping, ensuring the leather maintains its shape and texture. Next, the leather undergoes tanning, a process that stabilizes the proteins in the hide, making it durable and resistant to decay. This is followed by dyeing, where rich colors are infused into the leather, creating the iconic hues that Tochigi leather is known for. Skilled artisans carefully inspect and manually adjust the leather to correct any imperfections, further ensuring that each piece meets the high standards of Tochigi leather. A protective coating is applied to the leather to enhance its durability and give it a sleek, polished finish. This step helps the leather resist wear and tear, while also improving its aesthetic appeal. The final touches are added to the leather, ensuring that it looks and feels perfect. Whether it's a glossy finish or a matte look, the leather is treated to meet specific design requirements. Before any leather leaves the Tochigi leather plant, it undergoes a thorough inspection. Each piece is examined for quality, ensuring that only the finest products make it into the hands of discerning customers.